nagiging magulo yung sistema ng mukha mo. You have to simplify everything. Wow, medyo parang mahirap yung 3 words. It's just so much. Okay. It's a perfect, simple regimen. It is something na, sorry, hindi ako magaling sa maliliit na salita. Madaldal talaga ako. Di ba ako nakaway niya? It is, when you actually find your product, you realize that you don't need a lot of products pala. The more products that you put on your face, all the more that it gets nagiging magulo yung sistema ng mukha mo. You have to simplify everything. On how I would simplify my life. That's how I want to simplify my nighttime routine. Dahil nga, pag nasa ganitong edad ka na, hinahanap na ng balakang mo, kama agad. Hindi ako chumichikay. Not because introvert ako, for the simple reason that I just like pampering myself at home. And with the hyaluronic, unang pala dapat alamin natin kung paano sabihin mo tama. Hyaluronic gold, apart from the natural benefits that you're gonna get from it, you will really feel it, people will see it, you will see it, and at the same time, your confidence, it will all come together. It's like a big, beautiful package. Pag meron kang biotin, and there's the hyaluronic, the 5 types of hyaluronic gold, wala ka ng ibang produktong kailangang idagdag.
Wow, that makes us all the more excited to use the hyaluronic gold as soon as we get home. Thank you so much, Miss Julia and Santa. So good to see you.